Hey everybody, it's Kyle from Anthem. Today on Anthem Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to be talking about beta updates. What are beta updates? Why would you enable beta updates? And why would you not want to enable beta updates? So to start, a beta update for the new MRX X40, AVM70, AVM90 products is to help us better understand the environments that Anthem products are being placed into. We don't have every source device or every television to be able to test all of the common source devices that we interact with as the brain of the home theater system. So allowing you to enable beta updates gives us information when you feed it back to Anthem Technical Support to help make sure that we have our products ready to go in your homes. Now, with that said, we would recommend that you leave beta updates disabled if you don't want to possibly introduce bugs into your system. Because we are trying to solve for something that's happening out in the field with a beta update, you would enable that beta update only to find out if it's made your experience better. A byproduct of that may be that it actually makes your experience worse. So we would recommend only enabling beta updates if you're asked to by your local dealer or by Anthem Technical Support.